Here we have the Hebrock F4 Edgebander, pre-milling and corner rounding machine. Just want to give you a quick walk around of the machine, show you the working units inside and a brief overview of the control system. So as you can see, it's quite a nice compact machine. Looks nice from the outside, it's the same grey as the Altendorf saws. Looks great when it's all sat together. As you can see at the back end, we've got one central extraction port, 140mm diameter, one connection, nothing goes to the top. Works really well, really easy to fit. Simple connection for the air on the back. Pull out support rail standard on the front. Just walk you around the machine. The controller, we'll come back to that in a second. In feed, tape support. We open the front door. We've got pre-milling, quick release glue station, glue drain, draining funnel out into a release box there. Nice simple system. Means we can change colour really easily and also use PUR or EVA glue. Glue pot heats up very quickly, under 5 minutes, and it can be released from just a couple of quick release fittings and can be taken out. Great for maintenance, great if you have two glue pots ready to have one light, one dark, quickly changed over. Finish quality makes the finish quality very good. If we open up the back door, you can see here build quality of the machine is excellent, really good. Got our end trim saw. This machine's equipped with sprayers. We've got pneumatic adjustment on the trimmers, which is set through the PLC control. This particular machine has 3 position. Most standard machines have 2 position. That's great from changing to thick and thin. Everything can be done from the front end. You don't need to open the back door up. Works really well. Radius scrapers with automatic lockout from the front end. Corner rounding with automatic adjustment and automatic lockout as well from the front end. Then we have our surface scrapers. As you can see, it's complete, but it's a nice compact machine. Close the back door again. Just bring you around. Here's the controller. This is the start page where we can select whether to use EVA or PU. So at the moment it's set on EVA. Go through our main page. This is where we can select our programs or write new programs and then save into the system. Once we've written them, we can select and we can change through to programs that we've pre-written and preset. Also, we can select to have sprayers on, nesting shoes on, trap feed, all different settings. And you can see there's a nice little image down here. I'm not sure if you can see that too well. Nice little image at the bottom which identifies thick edge or thin edge. And we've got lots of different positions so we can save different jobs in. The PLC control gives us all of the information about the machine. We can connect to it remotely. It's a very clever system. Very easy to use, very operator friendly. Gives an indication of the glue temperature at the top. Edge length counter, program running time at the bottom. As I say, nice simple system, anyone can use it. Having the ability to change between thick and thin at the top here is fantastic. Such a quick changeover, no messing around in the back of the machine. That's it. If you'd like any more information or like a demo on the machine, give us a call.